Hey guys, Rob here. We did get some fresh snow. We got about, I don't know, foot and a half of fresh snow, powder. Yeah. Yeah, you can tell the fresh stuff from the. Yeah. But it wasn't that heavy, it was just like a lot of it. Trees are covered with snow now. Yeah. Got about, I don't know, over a foot on the roof. It is sliding, but yeah. It is pretty. Yeah, we got a lot of snow in the shed. About a foot over here. At least at least it's not like 0 degrees. It's like 30 degrees right now, so it's fairly warm. Not like bitterly cold. But, all right, guys. Leave a comment. See ya. Bye.